Dear student, in the last class I have described the textbook of your class, the new book. But today, sentence analysis. Today I shall describe you. I shall deliver lecture on you the topics, that is the unforgettable history. The unforgettable history. Lesson 1. Unit 1. People or institutions making history. And lesson 1. The unforgettable history. Here you see Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He is the father of the nation. So here I shall speak you the sentence analysis. That is sentence analysis here. You know sentence analysis and the parts of speech and the use of words, all we get from these topics. So I want to tell you, we start, my brothers, I stand before you today with a heart overflowing grief. So I start, I pronoun, stand, verb, I stand before you, preposition, before here preposition, it is also used as adverb. You today, with preposition, today adverb of time, heart-rending, a heart-rending, overflowing, a heart-rending, overflowing, a heart, a adjective, heart here, noun, heart, that is the deepest corner of our mind, deepest corner of our feelings. This is heart here. Overflowing, that is present participle. Overflowing with grief. That is with grief. Sorrowfulness. Grief means sorrowfulness. So I stand before you today with a heart overflowing with grief. That is, here the speaker has a sorrow, has a feeling of sorrow, and with this feeling he stands before the people. You are fully aware of the events that are giving on and understand their import. You pronoun. You are verb. See here, you are. This is a helping verb, but this is the main verb of this sentence. Are. Be verb. Are. Fully. Full adjective and fully adverb. Aware of, that is consciousness of a thing. Aware of, this is a group verb, not group verb. Aware of, adjective with preposition. The events here, the occasions that happened in the last, that is the events that are giving on and understand. Give on, group verb. Give on and understand. Going on, sorry. Give on, no, going on. Going on and understand. Going on, this is group verb. Running, the things are running. The things are continuing. This is going on. And understand, this is verb. They are import, that is importance. Import here used as importance. So importance. Now the speaker wants to speak that all the occasions, all the events has importance everywhere. And we have to understand we have to realize. Understand means realize. We have to perceive what is happening that has been spoken by the speaker. So here we get pronoun, helping verb or main verb. Helping verb as used, main verb. Adverb, adjective, preposition, adjective, noun, conjunction. That conjunction are be verb, going on group verb, and conjunction, understand verb, they are pronoun and import. This is a noun. So you must, student, you must realize that is what you must realize how the word has been used in this sentence and what the parts of speech and how they can be used going on. The going on, we can make a sentence by the word going on. How? The boat race is going on. This is a sentence. The boat race is going on. Next sentence we come. We have been trying to do our best. We have been trying to do our best to cope with the situation. We have been trying. We pronoun. Have been trying, verb and helping verb. To do. To do. This is the infinitive. To do. To make something. This is to do. Infinitive. Our best. Our best. That is he is trying. His most power. He is trying with his most power. This is our best to cope with the situation, cope with, adjust, to face the situation. This is also infinitive and also a group verb. Cope with, to cope with, that is to face the situation. Situation is a noun. Condition. Situation means condition. And we unfortunately and yet unfortunately the streets of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi and Rangpur are awash. Awash. With a, this is an adjective. Without a, this is a verb. Awash. With the blood of our brothers. With preposition. The blood noun of preposition. Our brother. Our pronoun. Brothers. Our brothers. So here, many nouns. Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, Rangpur, these are the proper nouns. This proper noun we used in the object of the sentence, the last part of the sentence, and also here, that is unfortunately the streets of Dhaka. The streets now and added with of after preposition. We can use now so many here. Of after all, we have used Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, and Rangpur. The subject is streets, and the agreement is are. Agreement verb are. Streets are. But we have added so many nouns with of. So here, interesting use of Dhaka, Chittagong, Khulna, Rajshahi, and Rangpur. You will try to use noun as like this. Then your knowledge will increase. Your knowledge will increase. And dear student, the people of Bengal now want to be free. The people of Bengal are now want to live, and the people of Bengal now want their rights. Here you see the people of Bengal. The people of Bengal, that is the people of Bengal. The people of Bengal now what? People, that is human being of, who live in the Bangladesh. That is the then East Bengal, East Bangla, and are now want, this is verb, to be. This is a serious use, to be free, to be. Be verb as infinitive, to be free. Free has been used with the be verb, that is adjective with the be verb. You know, be verb can add, the verb can add adjective and noun. He is good, he is a boy. So here, be verb has been used, boy, that is character, boy and good. Boy and good. The people of Bengal are now are Bengal, that is East Bangla. Now and verb. Want to live, and the people of Bengal now want their rights. Right means what we get, that is right. What you legally get, that is right. What we must on our favor, this is right. So in this paragraph we have seen use of nouns properly, verb properly, preposition properly. So I have told you this chapter is very important because words have been used very clearly here, and you can use these words everywhere. Dear student, what have we done? What have we done that was wrong? After the election, what have we done that was wrong? This is a good use. What have we done that was wrong? That was wrong is a clause, and what have we done? This is a clause. But what have we done that was wrong? That conjunction that indicates the total clause, that was wrong. Very, very significantly used here. You will always remember this sentence because you can use this sentence in different places. What have we done that was wrong? Wrong. That was wrong. Total clause has been used by the conjunction that. After the elections, the people of Bangladesh voted as one for me and for the Awami League. As one for me. See here. Have a goodly used. Have a beautifully used. As one for me. As one for me. That is only one for him and for the Awami League and Awami League. As one for me. You will remember this phrase. As one for me. As one for you. As one for him. Very, very importantly, we can use other places these things. Dear student, we were to sit in the National Assembly. National Assembly means where the legislators or the MPs sit and discuss on the different problems and different laws, different orders, ordinance. This is the National Assembly. That is, we see in our Parliament House. National Assembly seat mainly in the Parliament House. This is the National Assembly. Draft a constitution for ourselves there. That is draft. Draft. See here. We were to sit in the National Assembly. Subject we. Again, draft. A constitution. Prepared. A constitution for ourselves there. And build. This is also another sentence. And the subject is only we. And build our country. The people of this land would thereby get economic, economical, not economic. Here economic has been used as adjective, not economical. Very tactfully, economic has been used here as adjective. See here, political and cultural freedom. Political and cultural freedom. But it is with regret. It is with regret that I have to report to you today. That is, you want to make us understand the people. May he want to make the people understand today that we have passed through 23 tragic years. Pass through. That is, go from one place to another. This is pass through. 23 tragic years. Tragedy has been used here. Tragic years. I have already told you that in this chapter, words has been used very beautifully. Bengal's history of those years is full of stories of torture inflicted on our people, of bloodshed by them repeatedly. 23 years of history of men and women is agony. 23 years history is, what is the history? The history is agony. 23 years history is the history of agony. Agony means torturing, very pathetic condition. The agony, that is the chaotic condition of your heart, the chaotic condition of our mind. This is agony. Agony means chaotic condition. The history of Bengal is the history of the people who have repeatedly made their highest crimes on with their blood. Crimes on means making red. Blood has made red. Here the real picture. That is crimes on. Crimes on highways. The history now of Bengal now. That is the two noun has been added with of preposition. Is the history of the people who have repeatedly, that is again and again, made their highest crimes on with blood. Made their highest crimes on with blood. That is crimes on. This is making red. We shed blood in 1952. In 1952, we shed blood in 1952. That is shed blood. Shed means coming out, that is going down. This is shed. Pouring. Shed means pour. P-O-U-R, pour. Even though we were the victors in the election of 1954, we could not form a government. That is, they are victors. That is in 1954, victors. Victory has been used as victors. Victory has been used as victors. Victors, that is winner. Victor means winner. Victors, winners. Okay. So victors have been used here. Victors means winners. We see here. That is how the word has been, I have already told. The word has been used here very beautifully, very intelligently. The word have been used here. Victory, victors. In 1958, Ayub Khan declared martial law to enslave. See here is a verb. Enslave. To enslave us for the next 10 years. In 1960, when we launched the 6-point movement, we continued. We started. Launch means started. 6-point movement. Our boys were shot. That is shooting. They by gun, killed by gun, shot. Dead on 7th June. When after the government of 1969, Ayub Khan fell from power. That is, power has been used here. That is the power of the Ayub Khan government. That is their continuing of government policy. This is the power. And Yahya Khan assumed the reign of the government. The latter declared. Latter means here. See here, the Yahya Khan. Later here we understand the Yahya Khan declared that he would give us a constitution and restore democracy. You know democracy, that is elected by the people. People's government. This is democracy. We listened to him. Then a lot has happened since, and election have taken place. So have taken place, take place, that is taken place. So here student, we see in this chapter the word has been beautifully used, and you practice at home, homework, these sentences, analyze these sentences, and when you get some important words or you will be unable to use some words, some sentences, you will connect me with phone or net. I will answer you. Your homework is reading this chapter. That is what I have taught you. I am speaking to you. I have delivered lecture on what things you must practice at home, and will phone me. You will connect me. Thank you, student. Thank you all.